You may have planted your garlic a month or 2 months ago and it's already sprouting. We planted ours approximately a month ago and we haven't seen any additional top growth. But if you have and you are, that's okay. If your garlic looks like this or like that, or even's got top growth that is similar to this, it is okay. You don't want to touch it, you don't want to mulch it, it's perfectly fine. What is occurring is the roots have become established and it's gotten warm in the fall and it started to grow. It will go back into a dormancy state as the temperatures chill back down and get cold, snow, freeze, and it'll be fine in the spring. When the soil warms, it'll shoot back up. So don't worry about it, it's totally fine.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.